Welcome everyone. Problem on atomic structure. What is the value of the orbital angular momentum of an electron in the 3D orbital? We know that orbital angular momentum is equal to root L into L plus 1 into h by 2 pi, where L is the azimuthal quantum number and h is the Planck constant. Here given 3D orbital. For the 3D orbital, L is equal to 2. Therefore, orbital angular momentum is equal to root 2 into 2 plus 1 into h by 2 pi is equal to root 6 into h by 2 pi. Thank you for watching this video.